Frederic, your fragrance consultant, aromatherapy consultant. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting subject, which is called evergreen plants. So Christmas is just around the corner, so when you can smell Christmas tree smell, then evergreens come into play. First of all, what are the characteristics of evergreen plants? So basically, the main characteristic is the leaves, they are all year round. In fact, they do fall in winter, but it's a continuous process. And the main characteristic is that even all year round, their color, they have leaves attached to the tree, but it could be green color, yellow color, brown color, but nevertheless, they are not stripped of the leaves on the tree. So they have leaves on the tree all year round. And the main features is that they have the, you can find the needles or coniferous cone. And the five main types I just introduced to you, the sprouts, could be the black, the blue, and the white as well. It smells a bit fruity. The second one is cedar. It has a sweeter smell, and juniper as another one. It smells a bit fresher. Fir needle. The fir needle, it has a spicy, sour, floral note, but two main character variant, the Siberian fir needle and the Canadian fir needle. And then the fifth one is pine. Pine is slightly acidic and has the shape. In terms of shape, you can tell the difference. Sometimes the spruce, they are sharp, short, and whereas the cedar is slightly rounder. And the other one, the fir needles, they have the white strips and they are flat on two sides. It's not easy to roll. Whereas the spruce, you can roll quite easily. And when it comes to pine, they're longer and they're in clusters of 2 or 3 and 5, which I will talk about that when we are in the next video. So in terms of the chemical composition, how do you tell the difference between the three? The Siberian fir needles, mainly they're made up of bonar acetate, caffeine, camphene, alpha-pinene, and beta-pinene. Whereas the pine is terpineol, and the black sprouts then is mainly the bicyclic monoterpene alpha-pinene. So they are different composition in terms of the chemical. So this is why they have a different smell and performance. In terms of applications, mainly you can use it in the fine fragrance, soap, but because of this chemical composition, they are mostly used very commonly in the air freshener or like the antibacterial agents like floor cleaner and so on. And so, but they are different. They are most commonly, those are the pine and terpineol.